Yeah, hi, good afternoon. I'm Hitesh. I'm business manager for Hifield Organics, AP and Telangana. We are into B2B and B2C. Like in B2B, we have our all biostimulants raw materials, which we supply in bulk to the manufacturing companies. We supply more than to the more than 1,300 manufacturing companies throughout India, and we have launched our products in Hyderabad exhibition as well. Even we have B2C products as well, like you can see there, which we supply to the dealers and distributors. So we have all the product range, like in biostimulants we have, in organic we have, in pesticides we have. So all the product ranges available with Hifield. Our company is from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Like it depends on the products and quantity. Like different products have the different price range. So it depends on that. Currently in our brand products, we have 108 products which we have launched here. And in our biostimulants, we have more than 50 products. We are into the market from past 27 years. And in Hyderabad is our base. So in Hyderabad, we have very good what you can say parties over here. And the response is very good. So as every year.